HyperX Cloud Flight Review. Design. Visually, the HyperX Cloud Flight is a pretty unassuming lump of plastic. There are a few red flourishes on the otherwise black plastic frame and padding, plus a sprinkle of red LED lighting. There's no sign of the shiny chrome, full RGB setup you're likely to find on the more flamboyant headsets, such as the Asus ROG Strix Fusion 500. Fortunately, the headset manages to tick nearly all the right boxes when it comes to functionality. In the box, you'll find a 2.4 GHz USB receiver for connecting it to your PC or PS4 wirelessly, plus a lengthy 3.5mm cable for setting it up on an Xbox One. The noise-canceling mic is attached using a simple 3.5mm connection. Onboard controls include basic power and chat mute buttons on the left bud, plus a single volume dial on the right. Personally, I do have liked a separate dial for controlling chat volume, but setting the correct levels is easy enough in most in-game menus for its absence not be a huge problem. The 315 grams weight, with mic, healthy dose of padding on the headband, and memory foam ear cushions also make the HyperX Cloud Flight wonderfully comfortable to wear, even for prolonged periods. This is especially important given the headset's key selling point, its superb 30-hour quoted battery life. Specifically, Kingston claims the headset will offer 30 hours with its LED lighting off, 18 hours in breathing/glowing mode, and 13 hours when permanently on. Audio quality on the Cloud Flight isn't the best I've experienced, but it is still more than good enough for most gamers. Unlike a lot of headsets, the Cloud Flight doesn't offer any form of virtual surround sound or Dolby certification. All you get is basic 2.0 channel audio. This will be an issue for people who regularly play games in which the direction of sounds such as incoming bullet fire is a big deal. Playing PUBG, it was possible to get a vague sense of incoming sniper fire, or whether vehicles were coming from my left or right. However, getting an exact reading was tricky. The audio didn't offer the precise sense of direction that comes from slightly more expensive cabled headsets, such as the ROG Strix Fusion 500. Fortunately, audio quality is otherwise solid. Featuring twin gigantic 50mm drivers, the headset offers excellent, ear-splittingly loud maximum volumes and is fairly well balanced by gaming headset standards. The low end is suitably powerful, but doesn't have the flabby feel of many competing models. However, on occasion it can overshadow subtle sounds in the treble and mid-range. For the most part, the headset represents the full frequency spectrum pretty well. Explosions and rumbling engines sound detailed and precise, rather than a warbly mess. Gunfire is nicely attacking, but never takes on the acidic tone of many cheaper headsets. Dynamism, too, is solid, with the mix between quiet periods and intense firefights sounding suitably varied. All in all, the headset is more than good enough for multiplayer gaming. The noise-canceling mic is excellent. Even during heated multiplayer firefights, with multiple teammates shouting over each other, the mic did a stellar job delivering crisp voice chat to my squad.